Have you ever wished you have an extra pair of hands to record POV with your phone? Well, Telesin made this. Let's talk about it. This video is not sponsored, but Telesin did send this item for me for free and asked me to review it. And I tell you this, I have something similar to this from them too. For my GoPro camera or like DJI, for any action camera, but I always wanted to do this because now these days the phone is the key thing to record videos on Reels and Shorts. The main thing on this Telesin neck mount is the MagSafe. I love this thing. It hooks up with the iPhones or any compatible cases with your Android or any other phones. It sits perfectly. The magnet is just so strong, like literally strong. Like I liked it. I was not scared that it's gonna fall out or like when I put it on my neck. Cool part besides MagSafe is that they made this back part silicone. You can press on it, it's really soft, and whenever you put it on your neck, on your chest, it sits perfectly. It doesn't push on it. Whenever you did this one, it had this plastic button to press to open the stuff, and it was not really comfortable to wear because this thing would hit you and it's really hard. This one way more comfortable because it's so soft. The other thing is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they did the length a little bit taller, so it's gonna sit a little bit lower. But the thing is, this one was way too short, this one still short. I'm telling you from my point of view, it's really short. Like I wish I had it a little bit more length down. Then the other thing is, you have your phone in here. It sits on it perfect. Okay, my mic. You can record the video, you can adjust the angle, you can lift it more, and it's gonna do whatever you're cooking or unboxing something. For example, on my Instagram, I did unboxing video for my brother on Insta360 Go 3S, and you can see I recorded with this thing on my iPhone. That's cool thing. My big problem is, let me show you. I wish I can hook up right here on the back my SSDs or any additional storage for my iPhone. That is not heavy, it's not big, it's light. I get it. You guys gonna say, okay, put it in a horizontal mode and you can have it. Yes, if I'll record from my YouTube or anything, I totally can connect it with no problem. But when I'm recording for Instagram, which it's made for mostly Instagram and stuff, you can't really do it because you don't have a spot in here. You can see it. That this thing is almost touching the metal. So that's kind of a downside for me, but it doesn't mean that I'm not gonna use it. I'm still gonna use it. And the other thing, like I said, length. I wish it would have been a little bit lower, just a little bit, like barely this part, because if you guys can see, it's only here. Like I wish it'd be a little bit lower so it sits perfect. Still, this one way better than this, trust me. It's really compact and portable and adjustable. Like I said, you can do this and just take it in your backpack. It folds kind of small. Here is the iPhone, for example. In the real life use, like I said, for me it would be this perfect for my Instagram. Whenever I'm driving my car, I have to put two hands on the steering wheel. It's right there. This thing gonna just sit here and record on a wide angle lens. Awesome thing. I love how stiff this magnet is and how stiff all these things. I mean, I don't know if this stuff gonna get loosened by, like, for example, 6 months, but I doubt it because they're really strong, like really strong to turn. And this magnet is so good. Like I love this thing. Like as soon as you adjust it, this thing sits on it. Like you can do whatever you want and it's not gonna go nowhere. It doesn't bug your neck. It sits on your neck. The silicone is way softer than this one, even though you can feel it that it's similar, but this one feels way more harder than this. This one feels really soft, and it's easier to adjust. When you do this one, it's a little bit like thick and it's a little bit harder to adjust, and you can hear it like something wiggling inside. This one, nothing. It feels like it's one solid piece. What I love mostly about it is how simple it is. One button, hook up your phone, on your neck, done. You're ready to record. That's all you need to do. Adjust your camera angle how you want it, and it's done. It's right there. You can take photos if you want, or record videos. If you're a creator and you would like to get this thing, you can get, with my code Anatoly10, 10% off of your whole order. So not just this thing, anything you order on the website Telesin, you're gonna get 10% off with code Anatoly10. In conclusion, what can I say, guys? Really cool neck mount that lots of people gonna use it, and I already saw few videos that people use from like DJI and stuff, but Telesin was one of the first ones who did this. And like I said, I have this with the GoPro, still rocking it, and this one way better than GoPro. So from now on I'll be using my iPhone with the MagSafe to do that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.